Hello, hello. So, as I was when I was online earlier, mm, when I was live the first time, someone came to meet me, so that's why I had to go and meet them. So, anyways, I was expecting the market to break either the highs or lows, but it has not yet done so far, and it's already 2:20 now, and market remains at the same place, plus or minus 100 points. And I was just looking at the is just looking at the option prices. So as of right now, at the money 45,400, the put options has like a decay of around 60 points, and the call option has a decay of 160 points. So around 220 points of decay overall. So it would have been a very good day for yesterday. Those who took straddles just before the expiry. But this thing normally doesn't happen most often what happens is the straddle people, they'll have to keep on adjusting a lot of positions, and on first, as there is budget, so people are a little bit hesitant to take a decisive action. And I think if the market remains in the same place, then most probably even tomorrow, I think the market may be held in this place itself. So 45,500 has a premium of around 500 points. So quite good combined premium of 500 points. And then 500 points away. Okay. Interesting thing is, put option premiums have not yet eroded, while the call option premiums are completely gone. Because 46,000 call option is trading at 44 rupees, and 45,000 put option is trading at 107. So just imagine just see the amount of money which has not yet been degraded. So 46,000 call option still has a very good amount of open interest, and 45,500 call also has a very good, the highest amount of open interest. So let me check. 45,500 has the highest amount of open interest. So there is a good chance that market may not go above it, and it's just a sell on rise market. No matter what we do, it's just a sell on rise market until and unless the option premium or the option prices, I mean, if they square off their positions, then only there's a way that market is going to go high. But it's highly unlikely to happen before tomorrow, as day after tomorrow is the budget. So very good chance that market tomorrow will close below 45,500. And 45,500 put option is now call option is now trading at 173. And if you take a 500 point, it's still it's still around 100 points. Hundred and 125 points. You can get it. You can do like around 50 lots. But is it worth it? That's the question. I don't think so. It is. Mm. And anyways, it just touched the previous. It broke the previous highs. So the chances are, like technically, there is a very good chance that the market might just break out. But the thing is, yeah, 45,500 is still a very huge resistance. If it does break it, then we can see some good short covering. It will take the market easily to 46,000. Just needs to break 45,500 to 600 zone. And even as of right now, it seems that market may be going short. But the thing with going short now is just that it's just a temptation to go short. And even though if I go short, then there is a good chance that the market may find support somewhere nearby. So it's just really difficult to get into any kind of good supports. To break the previous low. Let me wait till 2:30 to see how the market is reacting at 2:30. Okay, I have placed shots. And yeah, my shots are showing loss now. Okay. And yes, okay, I am booking in one of my accounts. Okay, I already booked in one of my accounts, so waiting in the other two to book. Okay, I have booked in second account as well. I just have in one more account. It's just that my option buying position is now showing in some loss, so because I entered it quite late. I didn't have to enter it, but like yeah, I entered it very late. I averaged it out, but let's see. Okay, the option prices are like a little bit wonky as of right now, and it seems like it doesn't want to move in a very good way like I expect it to, like I want it to. So I might close the positions. Still new of this level. Okay. Mm. All right, okay. I'm booking I have booked everything. So yeah, so I have booked all my orders. No more orders left for the day, just because I thought maybe there is a chance, there's a slight chance that maybe the market may shoot up. So that's why I just booked it. But it's okay. It's what it is on the expectations of what I wanted. I just got it. So on to the next session now. So let's see. As expected, it did not even cross the previous lows. So I might take another trade, but but in just a very very small quantity and in only one account where I'm looking to go short. If it touches the previous low, I'll go short. That too in only one account, because I don't want to risk anything. So that is the reason why I just want to go short only in one account. I have not yet gone short, so I just book everything in the shorts, and now I'm waiting to go short again. I'll go short in a very, very small quantity, or can I go longs? No, I cannot go longs. I need to go short on that. I'm just looking at the option prices just to see how the market is going, how the market is behaving. Hmm. I want to go short only, but just waiting to get into the trade at a good, good price, rather than getting into the trade and then waiting again and again, waiting for the market to just come to me. Okay, let it go for another 30-40 points up. Maybe I can go short at 45, 335, 340 levels. Mm. I'm going short, very, very small quantity. Alright, okay, I can go short now. Alright, I am short. I entered the entire full quantity here because it is just coming back from where I wanted. So I just entered some good shots again. Uh, okay, wait. Alright, I have entered shots again, and I entered full quantity, which I was intending to enter, and set my stop loss is quite clear in my mind. So either my losses reach that, or if the bank nifty reaches my short target, then I'll just exit, and I'll be looking to enter short again at a higher level. So it's all good. Market, it's moving quite slow now. Option prices are not moving fast enough, or the market is not falling fast enough for my liking. But it's just nearing. I just added some shots, and yeah, I'll just look to wait. So it's very near to my stop loss level. So time to see. I'll just wait for a minute max. Okay. Okay, I exited my shorts, everything, and I have entered longs. Okay, and my stop loss was hit, so I just entered longs. Mm, and it's 2:52, so I'll have around 10 to 15 minutes to decide if I want to carry forward this longs or not. Mm. Why I entered longs? Because if my stop loss was hit, then it was in such a place that the market may shoot up very well. So that's why I just entered longs immediately, and yeah, my all my positions are like almost at cost to cost. So let me wait for a little bit longer. Okay, 45,449 may act as a resistance. So I need to be quick here to decide what I want to do. Okay, there is a chance that market might shoot up, so that's why I'm just I did not book the positions, the longs yet. So let me just I'll just stay in the trade for a little bit longer. It's 255, so there can be so there definitely will be some beta decay that is expected, but let's see if enough positions are squared off, if there can be a short covering after 3, because if there is, then my positions will definitely give me the profit which I'm looking for. And I just am keeping an eye on the option prices, just because the prices can like shift very rapidly, quite fast. So will the short covering come at 3 p.m? We need to just wait and watch if there will be a short covering or not. 80 seconds and it's 3 p.m. So let's see how the market behaves at 3. There's a lot of people will be squaring off their positions, the intraday positions as well. So if the call options are getting squared off, then there can be a chance that the market might shoot up, especially 45 500 calls. It might shoot up till 45,500. Let's see. Theta decay. Theta decay affects hard. So yeah, all right. I might close my positions as well because I have a specific loss in my mind and I don't want to lose more than that. So either if it reaches my stop loss, or if my overall stop loss is hit, then I'm exiting. I'll just fight for another day if it does hit my stop loss. So there's that option premium just fell like drastically within a minute. So that is actually expected because tomorrow is expiry. So of course there has to be some decay because they cannot like decay the entire thing within a single day. So they will decay it like really fast after 3 p.m. or day before, and that is what happened. And let's see now, if in case there is a short covering, then of course the prices will react to the short covering first, then the decay will come into effect. So that is what I was waiting for, and yeah, now you see the short covering is now like, I think if there is a short covering, then this is it. I'll be looking to book it because I was waiting for the price to come to the right place, and if it did, then I would have booked it, but I did not get my target which I was looking for. So that is why I just was just waiting. And also, yeah, we could have argued that okay, you could have booked it and then like again come back to again take in another trade. But hindsight is a very powerful tool. So what you do in the moment is what ultimately matters. So I did not book it then I'll be looking to book it the next time when it reaches a level near to what I was expecting. Either that, or I'll just accept and I'll book my losses when it hits the stop loss. So that is the only two things which is possible. லைவ்ல இருக்கா? லைவ்ல உட்காந்துருக்கேன். So yeah, the decay is increasing gradually, but the market is trying to go up as well. So that's why even though if the white candle is forming, I'm not able to, the profits are not rising so much, and that is understandable. Before 400 or something, let's say. If I want to carry forward the positions, then maybe I will, but I'm not so sure about the strike prices, so I'll just decide it after 10 minutes if I want to carry forward some positions or like or not. That is the first thing, and secondly, it's like the position sizing as well. So okay, let me just check. Okay. And all right, I saw the positions, and yes, if in case I want to carry forward some positions, then I'll just change the strike price and I will carry forward some positions, but I'm not sure of overall I'm in loss in only one account, and two accounts I have booked profits. But the overall, if you look at the overall picture of all the three accounts, then overall I'm in profits. And if I want to carry forward some positions, I'll be looking to carry forward only in this account where it shows loss right now, just to cover up the loss. So I'll decide on it after some time. And I can even like square it off tomorrow morning depending on how the market condition is. So, but like I definitely I'll not be carry forwarding the positions which I have right now. I'll just close it and then I'll re-enter with different strike prices. 315, and most of the intraday positions should have been squared off now. So after this, what happens is what will determine if I want to carry forward any kind of trades or not, or should I come back tomorrow and trade fresh, is all dependent on the next 10 minutes max. Because if there is a short covering, then uh, I'll just carry forward what positions, very little positions, just to compensate for the loss. Nothing big, especially. Or else if I can get a if I can secure even minimal profits, then I'll not be carry forwarding any positions. So it just depends on how the market behaves in the next 10 minutes. Hmm. Okay, by looking at the price action, I am fairly confident that market may go long. Okay, so if in case I'm not able to recover the losses for today, then I'll definitely carry forward something, and my bias is to go long, not short. And I'll not take bigger risks as well. So I'll take somewhat, I'll take risks which I can easily sustain. Okay, I'll not take risks which will break my account or something. Mm. It's just that I'm changing the strike prices. That's it. Not a big deal. Not, but I'm just going long, and I'm changing the quantity. I'll do it at like around 325, or at least after 325. Even in the last 1 minute, I can do it. But I'm just looking to square off the positions which I have currently, and I want to square off in a good place, not in a very, very bad place. So, because where I square off these positions will determine how much quantity I need to carry forward. So if I'm able to secure, if I'm able to reduce my losses quite a lot in this trade, then obviously for the next trade I'll be carry forwarding very less quantity, or enough quantity just to cover my losses when it comes to 45,600 levels. So that's my plan for now. Another 2 to 3 minutes. So theta decay, theta decay is in full swing now. Because I'm at my positions are just at the money and slightly in the money, just 1 point in the money. So So it's like obviously the theta decay is much more here. I'm also thinking that maybe I'll just book loss, accept the loss, and then I'll just like I'll just cover off, like from my other accounts I'll just transfer to this account and just accept the loss. That is also in my mind. So yeah, because this account is like actually nearing the maximum loss I can take, so that is 327. So what I'll do is I'll just book loss in this account as well, because I don't want to increase my losses to a point where it becomes very difficult to do anything with this account. So and I'm done. Yes, okay. So what has happened is I have booked the losses, and it has reached the point where the maximum amount I can take the loss, it has reached that, so I just book that loss, and I'll be looking to trade tomorrow only, not today, because like overall I'm just like in a slight loss in all the three accounts comparatively, but in one account I have booked loss. So that is what it is, and there's only 2 minutes, and I don't want to carry forward any trades for tomorrow, but I'll be trading. I'll come a little bit early tomorrow and I'll trade. Just 1 minute left, and should I carry forward some positions or not? That's what it is. And the answer is, the answer to it, I think I should not. Actually, yes, okay, I'm carry forwarding. Okay, I'm long and I'm carry forwarding. It just okay, I have already entered the position, so yeah, okay. But it's like comparatively less quantity, so not a big deal. So I'll come tomorrow and we'll see. Until then, see you, and have a nice day.